In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've loaded up Snapchat, you'll be on this screen. Then you just need to tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left. Then from this screen, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Then you'll be on your settings page and you just need to scroll down until you find two-factor authentication. Then tap on that. And you can see here I have text verification on. So to turn off text verification, I just need to go ahead and tap on the tick mark. And then it's going to ask me to disable it. So I tap on disable. And then two-factor authentication is now turned off. So that is how you turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.